Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Taj Beauty TV. Today I'm gonna have you guys come along with me for a Trader Joe's quick haul. I'm gonna go shopping in Trader Joe's. You guys are coming with me, and I'm gonna be asking you guys tips and advice along the way for some delicious snacks. So let's go. You guys, you know how I've been saying I wanted my eucalyptus? I'm wondering, can I create that myself? I'm gonna see. These bunches are $3.99. Actually, I can't make it because they only have one left, and I would need at least two. Or maybe I could intertwine this. This says eucalyptus too, but it's a different leaf. Okay, you guys, I am so surprised and shocked when I tell you that Trader Joe's flower selection, I don't know. Actually, the one at Stater Brothers is looking better than them today. Okay, so this is what I was looking for. These Greek salads are delicious, that I'm gonna actually pick up 2 of them. And don't forget, check the expiration dates, you guys. So this one is 9/19. So I have about a week or so to eat that. Now I'm looking for those shots. Here they go right here. So which ones should I get? I think I'm gonna get, so I haven't tried these before, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these ones. I'll let you guys know how I like them. And now my favorite aisle is their freezer aisle. These are so good. If you guys love Panda Express, then, and you love their walnut shrimp, these are really good too. These are really good too, and they are gluten-free, so I'm trying to cut back. So these are really good as well. I'll have like a few of these and a small salad, and I'm good. I'm also gonna get this one. I've had this one before, and I really like the prosciutto on there. Very yummy. Now I'm debating over this asparagus. $3.99. Now I'm thinking about a head of asparagus, and I think that it might be better just to save this one for the grocery store and then just, you know, cut them myself. These always look good, but I don't know. I guess it's, you know, a preferred taste. But I'm talking about these quiches right here. No, it has mushroom in it. I'm gonna pass. The cauliflower pancakes, those were good too. How much are these today? Okay, those are $3.99. Should I get these as a breakfast option? I'm gonna put them in my cart and decide if I'm gonna get them or not. And now for the best part, the wine selection. Now I love me a rosé, but I made the mistake last time and I picked up my rosé here and it was so bitter. It was not sweet at all. So I want to make sure that I get one maybe that's more red in color and not as pale, because it was so bitter, you guys. I drank it, of course, but it was not my favorite. What about this one? This one looks good. Nice and red. Maybe I'll try this one. And then the last time I was here, they had their version of my favorite, the Wilson's Creek, and it's right there, the Almond Creek, for $6.99. Too bad they don't have peach Bellini, because peach Bellini is so yummy. So let me see, you guys. I'm gonna decide which champagne wine vibe I'm gonna get. How about I try this one? This one kind of looks reminiscent of that expensive bottle my cousin got me for my birthday. Ooh, maybe I'll do this one. It is the weekend after all, so maybe I'll get this one and that rosé and call it a day. Okay, I'm gonna get this one too. Should I get this one? Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so I didn't know they have flavors. They have sour cream and they have the white cheddar. I'm gonna get the white cheddar. $2.49. $0.99. Sparkling lime, sparkling water. Mixed berry. $1.99. Now I'm looking for the mango salsa, so I think I will pass on this one. What do y'all think? So salads, a little bit of vegetables, flowers, wine, some pizza stuff. Healthy junk food is what I call it. Okay, so they're talking about these inside the line. So let me go ahead and get these. I know my boys love Takis. So let me go ahead and try these ones out.
Do you want a box for these bottles? Like you know what?
Yeah, I think I have like 3 of them.
Do you want one, a wine box, or bag it? It's up to you.
Whatever is easier. Whatever is easier for you.
Okay, you have your driver's license, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you're cardable. You're cardable. Did you get the Pringles?
We did, but we only get 2 cases a night, so we sold out 9:45.
Oh, you sold out at what time?
9:45.
This morning?
Yes.
Oh, my goodness.
Hopefully next week we'll open up and we can get more than that.
Yeah, sure.
Do you want these left out?
You can put it in one of these.
Okay.
Thank you.
I was like, that might be a snack for those drive to whatever you're doing. Thanks.
Call before to make sure that we receive the delivery. So you don't make a trip.
Ooh, excuse me. All right, guys, so I am going to pack the car, and it's Friday, so I still have to go pick up the boys, but I made really good timing. I set my alarm to start heading back for 12:30, and the alarm barely went off, so I'm making excellent timing. Let me unload the car, and then I'll turn you guys around. Hey y'all, so I hope you guys enjoyed going with me to Trader Joe's, but before I end the video, guys, I wanted to say that I just got my facial done, and look at my skin. My skin is glowing. Okay, I went to the esthetician there at the Green Massage in Temecula. My esthetician, her name is Bella. She was really young too. I would have to say like maybe 23, definitely in her early 20s, but my skin is glowing, guys. Look at it. Okay, so I was so nervous thinking that I wasn't gonna have time. I was gonna get a phone call from the kids' school, but everything went good. No calls, no anything. I was just able to sit there, relax, think about some things, and I definitely rebooked for 4 weeks. So I just love the way my skin looks. It looks good. She said I did not have any whiteheads, any blackheads, no clogged pores. She did notice the areas that I was telling her about, though, how right here my pores have a more enlarged appearance, as well as my little under eye area right here. So today she did a balancing treatment, and she said my skin, well, I let her know my skin was sensitive, so she said next time when I come back I could go ahead and do the next step, which is a little bit of a stronger facial. So we'll see, guys, but I'm definitely recommending them. My skin looks good. She even put some cute little lip gloss on me as well, so definitely happy about that. So if my skin always looked like this, I wouldn't even wear makeup. I would feel totally confident to wear no makeup at all. It's glowing. I'm happy. I'm really happy. And I know nowadays it's not always easy or common to get good service, but yeah, I'm definitely happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right now, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, as always. Let me know what you guys get from Trader Joe's. If there is a Trader Joe's in your area, what are some of your favorite snacks from Trader Joe's? Also, yeah, that haul right there is definitely my healthy junk food haul. I go to Trader Joe's to get all my little snacks throughout the week, and don't judge me. All right, guys, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.